withdrawing any due process complaints. This hearing and the other one that I filed, that my family and I are not plaintiffs at this particular moment. I'm withdrawing both complaints. And I have no further comments about that.
So just to clarify, you intend that these proceedings stop?
The reporter can read back what I said.
Well, I'm trying to make sure I understand so that I don't have a misunderstanding about what your intention is. So you're withdrawing the due process complaint?
Could the reporter read it back?
Well, I don't need her to repeat it. I'm trying to do the courtesy of making sure that we understand what you're saying. As you can imagine, it's a little surprising to go through 7 or 8 hours of hearing and then have you withdraw your complaint.
Like I said, I won't have any further comment on it.
Okay, so we don't need to schedule anything further. And that would mean, though, that you
Your Honor,
you will or you won't. Do you expect a written decision, or do you expect that these proceedings have ended now?
I'm going to move for sanctions at this point, Your Honor. I mean, if this is the intent, to have us go down on a wild goose chase so that we can be here for 10 hours worth of testimony for a complaint that apparently was not brought in good faith, then I'm going to be seeking, the district's attorney's fees.
You can make that motion, but a complainant does have the right to withdraw their complaint.
That's what I've done.
Okay, we're done. Thank you. Let the record reflect we're done. It's about 11:07, and Mr. Crossett has just packed up and left. Counsel, we're still on the record. Is there anything that that we need to tie up?
Honestly, I don't know. I am just so shocked and surprised at this point.
Well, just so everyone's clear, should anyone look at this later, my understanding is that we're done. There's not going to be a decision. There's not going to be any further testimony, and the matter is dismissed to the extent I can do it with prejudice. As I understand it, that applies both to this current due process and any other, and the, as he referred to it, second due process request that he had.
And will you issue a written order to that effect?
Yes, that's probably appropriate.
Thank you.
Thank you. Off the record. We done?